Guide to Successful Thesis and Dissertation.
How to use Google Scholar like a pro. Ditch regular Google. Google Scholar kicks its butt. Use Google Scholar to find the most relevant articles. It is way better than your university database. Use Google Scholar to bypass paywalls. Link up Google Scholar with your university database. Use the Cited By method to find newer and more relevant articles. Use Google Scholar to generate citations. Follow author links to find a scholar's newest articles. Google Scholar and Google Books work hand in hand. Bookmark important articles for future assignments. Create your own Google Scholar profile.
Thank you for watching. Please like and share if this is helpful.